What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the Tapo C645D kit. This is a solar camera which has both a fixed wide-angle lens and a telephoto pan and tilt lens, all built into the same unit. So if you happen to be shopping for a camera, stick around and I'll be going over everything that makes this one of the best ones in this price range. Alright, so taking a look inside the box, you have your user manuals and some installation templates. You have the hardware to install it. You have an extension cable in case you want to install the solar panel in another location. You have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable in case you want to manually charge the camera. You have this cap here which goes on the mount, and I'll explain this in a second. You have your included solar panel. And last but not least, you have the actual camera itself. Alright, so taking a look at the camera itself, these are both 2K lenses. And up top you have a wide 165-degree fixed lens. At the bottom, you have a 6mm pan and tilt telephoto lens to give you more zoomed in close-up details. Another thing I really like about this camera is both lenses have their own spotlight. I've used cameras before that have a spotlight on the main camera, but on the bottom pan and tilt camera, you don't have a spotlight. So the problem with that is you'll get light into the main area, but if this is pointing over there, now you're in complete darkness. But as you can see here, you do get lights on both cameras. With the kit, you also get your mounting bracket, but I have this installed already, so I don't have that with me here. But you also get this cap here, and that's if you want to install this in different locations. So if you want to put the camera in one location and the solar panel in another location, right here, this detaches, and that's where you get this cap here, and that'll go in that area to give it a nice and clean appearance. So definitely a big fan of that. I think most people are going to install it like this because it's more convenient. But if you're in a situation where you need to install them separately, that's where you can do that with the included hardware. Alright, so getting this installed, this was a very quick and easy process. You simply mount the bracket where you want the camera, and then the camera just clicks onto that. There's no wires or anything else required, so if you can use a screwdriver, then you can definitely install this camera as well. Right now I have mine attached with zip ties, but once I'm sure this is where I want it, that's where I'll permanently install it with the screws instead. As you can see here, the solar panel attaches on the same mount, which definitely makes installation a lot easier. This way you don't have to drill more holes or find another location. And last but not least, both lenses are fully adjustable, so all you have to do is install it in the spot that you want it, and later on you can fine tune everything very easily. When it comes to battery life, thanks to the solar panel, you never have to worry about manually charging this, as it only needs 1 hour of sunlight a day to keep the camera topped off and fully charged. And even with zero sunlight, this will still last up to 4 months, all on a single charge. Definitely very impressive, especially when you consider this is powering 2 separate cameras. Last but not least, this camera does have an IP65 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet or exposed to the elements, as it was made to be outside all year round. Alright, so taking a look at some test footage, I am definitely happy with the video quality from this camera. Everything looks nice and sharp, and the colors also look very accurate with great contrast as well. Testing out the motion tracking, it definitely did a great job with this. As you can see, it started tracking once my son entered the camera view and continued to smoothly track him across the entire yard. Thanks to the dual lenses and 360 degrees of tracking and rotation, with this I'm able to capture what would traditionally require 2 or 3 separate cameras. One thing that's very unique on this camera is the dual lenses can be set up to monitor completely different areas or work as one cohesive unit. If you enable them to work together, that's when the pan and tilt camera will automatically start tracking any motion that's detected by the fixed camera. In the end, this allows you to see sharp and much closer details without having to digitally zoom in on the image. Unlike most other brands, premium AI detection is included with no additional fees or subscriptions required. So unlike other cameras that only detect motion, this will actually detect people, pets, and vehicles and instantly send you a notification so you know exactly what triggered your camera. Taking a look at some night footage, you get a nice and clear image using only the IR lights, but thanks to the built-in spotlights, you can also capture a full color video, which is definitely the setting to go with. Alright, so taking a look at the app, this is what it looks like. I want to say I've tested a lot of different dual lens cameras, and Tapo is the first one to get it completely right, as it allows you to use different settings for each lens rather than forcing you to use them as one cohesive unit. So right here on the main page, you got your 2 cameras. A lot of other apps show them as one image, so when I zoom in, the whole thing zooms in, which is not very ideal. But as you can see, this one is actually 2 different feeds, so I can zoom and pan around each one. At the bottom, we have our wide angle, and up here we have our telephoto lens. Even with the wide angle though, you can still zoom in quite a bit, but since this one gives you a more upfront image, with zooming you get much better details on that one. It's pretty late right now, so as you can see, it's in black and white, but if I switch on the built-in spotlights, that's when you see it's going to give me a full color image. So even though it's completely pitch black out there, thanks to that spotlight, you do get very good colors on everything. As you can see, my car is blue. We got an orange cone right over there, and so on, so on. So here at the bottom, you have all your controls. As I just showed you, you have the light on and off toggle right there. Coming to the bottom, this is where you have your videos and detected events. And as you can see here, you do get a separate video for each camera. Again, a lot of other cameras tend to group those 2 videos together, but I much prefer this one where you can download each video independently and watch them in their full 2K resolution. Another cool feature on this is called tap to focus. So if I see something happening right here, instead of manually zooming like that, I could just hold it down for about 2 seconds, and then the pan and tilt camera will automatically move over so I can see what's happening on that area. Definitely a good advantage to make extra use of that pan and tilt camera. And then after that, you can set it to either stay and watch that area that you tapped on, or return to the original position like I have it here after the set amount that you set here in the app. Diving into the settings, first off, we have detection settings, and right here you have detection zones, and this is one of the most advanced settings I've seen on any camera so far. So not only can you set different zones for each camera, but you can also set different zones for each detection type. So for example, people only walk here and there's a bunch of random vehicles here. I can have it highlight this spot and only detect motion there. I want it only to detect people over here. I want it only to detect pets down here, so ignores birds. Basically, everything in here, you could set up a different zone to only look for those things in those areas. I've never seen this in any other camera, and as I said earlier, you can set completely different zones for each camera for every single type. So lots of customizations there to fine-tune it exactly how you want it. And then down here, you can turn on or off every detection type, and you have motion, person, pets, or vehicles. Up here, you have auto tracking. You can enable or disable it. Same thing, you can enable or disable for each detection type. Up next, you have 24/7 capture. This basically makes a time lapse, and you can set this to capture something every 1 second, all the way up to every 60 seconds. And this will basically give you a rundown of everything happening at your property in kind of a time lapse motion. And while it's doing the time lapse, it'll also give you a notification if something happens and record that full event there. So a nice middle ground to have some sort of 24/7 surveillance. You got pan and tilt patrol mode. Basically, it'll patrol 2 different areas, kind of like an automatic robot. So instead of being fixed on one, it'll watch that for a bit, watch over here, watch, and keep doing that to give you a little more surveillance across the entire area. With the camera, you get 30 days of Tapo Care free included, and this includes 30 days of cloud video history, activity notifications with snapshots, video summaries, weekly reports, and smart sort. Up next, you have your night mode settings. You can choose between infrared and full color mode. Again, you can set the setting individually on each camera. So maybe this one is pointed at your yard and you want that to light things up. Maybe this one is by your window or something, so at night you don't want the light constantly turning on. So you can leave that one on infrared and then put the other one to activate with spotlight mode. And that covers the majority of the main features in the app. Overall, a very well laid out app that's also very easy to use as well. Overall, this is definitely a solid camera. The video quality looks great. It's packed with a ton of features, and best of all, it's also very affordable as well. So all in all, if you happen to be shopping for a security camera, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the Tapo C645D KIT. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.